Okay, how easy is this to install the Nest Cam, the Nest Protect? Let's find out. First of all, turn the AC on because it gets hot when you do these things. Open the box. I've done 9 of these, so this is going to be a quick tutorial. Don't need the directions. I take this, put the date on there because I like to know when this was installed. Okay. Then you go start reading your directions here for your, let's go add a product. And let's read the directions, sort of read them. I'm doing the master. I usually pull it now, the tab. I don't really get when I'm supposed to pull it, but I'm going to pull it now. It's out of directions.
Hi, from Nest. Hola, saludos de Nest. Press the button now for English.
Something went wrong.
Ready. Press to test.
I just test it.
This is only a test. The alarm will sound. The alarm is loud. The test starts in 10 seconds. Press to cancel. 10, 9,
And get these two things
8,
ready.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
Keep on
2,
hitting next.
1. This is only a test. Testing smoke.
I'm gonna go get the other smoke detector off while it goes through all that.
Testing carbon monoxide.
Come up here. Power's off. See, lights are on, and it was one breaker for all the smoke detectors, which is nice. Don't worry about that. Oh,
The test is finished. Everything looks good.
Oh, good. Thank you. That was nice. Take this off. Smoke detector. Hasta la vista. Make sure the batteries are gone. How's this guy doing? I keep on coming back down here and just making sure he's okay. Now, this is the advanced version of installation. I take the powers off, of course. Take this out for the screws out for a little, not all the way. Oh, just for a little. Take this off. Oop, that's gone. And I go get my this guy. How we doing down here? What's the password? Okay, it's setting up, connecting to Wi-Fi. I'm gonna go back up, take this with me. Looks like that other smoke detector just died. I'm gonna go up here. What I'm gonna do here is take the wires I need out. I'm just gonna reuse these twist things. So I'm gonna take the white out first.
Connected.
Oh, thank you for Nest. Thank you, Nest. I'm gonna take the white thing here, bring it up, oops, and put this into place. Make sure that's snug in there. Tighten it. Make sure that's snug in there. White goes to white. Nice and snug. Where's the black? Black's the next one over. Take that off. Put that in there, snug in there. Make sure it's tight. Twist. Tight. Make sure it doesn't come out. And here's the one that connects to all the other smoke detectors. We don't need that because we got old-fashioned Wi-Fi now. So we'll just cap that. Ooh. Well, let's see. This little bugger doesn't want to go back in. Well, fix that. too long. Well, that's the first time I had to do that. I didn't have to do that for the rest of them. I don't like how that one's going in, so I'm gonna use, this is my first time using one of theirs. Let's use one of theirs. There we go. That feels better. Okay, that's good. Throw that, make sure they're all snug up there because it affects the way that the plate gets in, and then you can't, make sure the plate is faced with the nest out. Put that through the hole. This, for some reason, this was the toughest part for me, trying to figure out what holes this thing goes in. It's like, first couple I did wrong, and it was difficult. Unscrew this a little bit because I need a little bit of room to get this over, because you have to snug it over to the sides. That looks somewhat good. How does that look? Snug this over just a tad more. Let's see if I get this. See, I'm telling you, this is the hardest part. I have no idea why it's the hardest part. Hold on, let me make sure this is. There we go. That should do it. This is the hardest part. See how it switches back over? This is where I get, so it doesn't want to go there. Let's find another home then. How about that home? Try that home. Yeah, this was the toughest part of it all. No idea why. Okay. Snug this guy in. How are we doing here? Are we feeling good? This feels good. Okay, that feels good. Okay, let's bring this guy up. He says next. Good, added. Wonderful. Hit next on all this stuff. We can deal with that later. Good, 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 good. Okay, so now we're gonna put the power in. He's gonna tell me there's no power, which is, of course, if it was power to get electrocuted. Let's put this guy in. This is where another tricky. This is where another tricky part, for some reason. Sometimes the screw, you didn't screw in all the way, or the cable sticking out. Okay, make sure. Okay. That seems secure. Gotta make sure that's secure. Okay.
Heads up, the power is out.
Yeah.
In the basement, in the basement, and in the entryway.
Oh yeah, thank you.
Ready, in the master bedroom.
Yeah.
Press to test.
Are you ready to go? Okay, here we go.
In the master bedroom. Press to test.
Yeah, I'm testing you,
This
baby.
is only a test.
Okay, good.
The alarm will sound. The alarm is loud. The test starts in 10 seconds.
Okay.
Press to cancel. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is only a test. Testing smoke.
And they communicate to the other ones. You can hear them.
Testing carbon monoxide.
So far, so good.
Just a moment.
Okay. Now the whole house is going.
Testing carbon monoxide.
Oh, so I got 9 of them going, yelling at each other. You can hear them all. That's it. I think we're set.